Yo, what's going on, guys? Just gonna make a quick video. I got these new radio and climate control fobs. It's like a silver. I don't know. I think it looks a lot better than the original black one. So we're gonna put these on real quick. All right. So you're just gonna need some pliers. It's kind of hard to get off with your hands by itself, and then you just pull it off. It's not too bad. All right. Here's the new one. We're just gonna go ahead and push it on. Just do the exact same thing on all of them. By the way, these were only like 20 bucks on eBay, so I think it's a pretty good deal. And here's the last one. I feel like it gives like an overall cleaner look to it. So yeah, guys,